Hey guys, so it's weekend and we have planned a cousin's trip. And while looking out for some places, I found this beautiful place which is located very offbeat at Vatrak River. So let me show you around a bit. So this is two-room villa kind of thing. So basically this is first room. It looks like this. So basically you get beds, single beds, and there are like 5 beds in this room. And there is another one. I guess someone locked it, so which has also like 1 double bed and 2-3 single beds. So if you can see there, it's on the bay of Vatrak River. Currently it's not flowing with full flow, but obviously it will flow once it's monsoon. So look at this. There is this bonfire, there is a swing as well, and if you look at around, it's full farm vibe as well as you can get the resort vibe as well. So I am on the roof of this villa, and there is a sun shining on me, and you can see there is a pool beside the trees, and there is a kitchen over there as well beside the pool. So overall it's an amazing place if you are coming with your family and your friends as well as anyone. And it's a completely 9 out of 10 place for me. So if you're coming around, don't forget to ask me for the way as well as location of this place. And also you can plan with some foods and also some snacks as well. Just take a look at this place. This is a beauty. So basically you cannot come here with any public transport or something like that. You have to use your own vehicle to reach here. So there is a kitchen here. You can use stove beside the pool to cook your own food. Here are my peoples, like my cousins, who are already taking a bath, and soon I'll be joining them in 5 minutes. Taking my GoPro first time in the water. Let's see how it works. This is semi-infinity pool, and we are enjoying it very much here. The environment is very peaceful, and you can see there is a farm, and the greenery is everywhere. Here our people are enjoying. Say hello. Here is our sunscreen photographer. Overall, it's a very cool place, and definitely if you are enjoying with your family or cousins and friends, this is a place to be. So let me go under the water with my GoPro. It's almost sunset time, and sun is already drowning, and we are still in the pool. Only 3 of us left here. So yeah, now we are planning to make a Maggi, so everyone will be enjoying our special Maggi in open kitchen. Jill, do you have something to say?
अभी कुछ नहीं, मस्त शांति.
What's all?
Yes.
What is this, bro?
Nothing much. I am just piecing.
So basically we are enjoying the serenity of this place, and it's very calm and birds are chirping. Maybe you can hear it in background. Such a lovely place. Just feel like living your whole life here. Okay then. It was indeed a refreshing evening, and now we are heading to make some Maggi. See, my hairs are pretty much done. Here we have a small stove and cylinder. This is our co-cook,
sister,
my co-cook,
little sister, little baby.
and I am the head chef here. So let's enjoy some Maggi.
Back on the grind, I ain't really with relaxing. All 20s in the pack, talking Jacksons. Been cooking in the kitchen since back when. Think a while now, should've seen back then. Back then, I was bring stacks in. Bring your racks in, bowling like the packs in. About that action, I ain't put the cap in. Never see me lacking, yeah, I'm about that action.
It's almost 8:30 p.m. We had our Maggi, and now we are just sitting around here, and just everyone is busy in their phone, and I am trying to communicate with them, but nobody is answering. I'll show you. So everybody is on their own. I'm just kidding. So basically after some time we'll play some cards, or we'll try to make some beer and everything. So overall it's kind of peaceful, and it's a offbeat place where you can enjoy your weekends. But anyways, if you are coming with your family, then come with few like dinner or lunch adjustments, so you can better enjoy here as well. So yeah, there is not much visibility at this time to show you guys, but then see you later.